As we start the new 2024 new year, home buyers and sellers, are you curious to know what the latest stats on the national housing market are? Let's take a look at the numbers. Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty. According to Redfin, at the time of this video, mortgage applications rose 3%, bringing them to their highest levels in recent weeks. This is partially due to the recent dip in the interest rates, bringing buyers off the sidelines to make home purchases. A recent inflation report shows inflation is easing. This means it is almost certain the Fed won't hike interest rates and may begin cutting rates earlier than expected this year. All of this is great news as more sellers are jumping into the market and listing their homes. Current data is showing new listings are up 3% from a year earlier. This is the biggest increase in listings in the last 2 years. So what's driving this increase? Sellers are noticing an uptick in home buyer demand and do not want to miss out on potential buyers for their property. Buyers have been waiting for a little relief in rates and want to take advantage of the market. So overall, it's a great time for both buyers and sellers to enter into the market. If you'd like more information on our local real estate market, reach out to me and my team. I'm Deb Grimme with homesintwincities.com and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, remember to make it a great home selling and buying day. Take care.